Good morning students, myself Rajesh sir. Today we are doing the different type of print making assignment. So let's start print making. Good morning students. Today I will show you a different technique of the print making. Here you can see like last time I had drawn a one rectangle and I have cut a one stencil. Okay. So see now I have arranged here this stencil and we will take the print. So we will get different experience and different idea of print making. Okay, first I will use a light color to take the print and then dark. Now here I will use a light color to get a different experience. So like this I have taken the prints of yellow color. Okay, now I will use a different color. I will take some blue color and I will mix in the yellow color. Like last time, with the help of crumpled paper, I will take the print. Now I will mix the blue color. I will take the print. So like this I have taken the print. Now see the effect. Okay, like cool color scheme I have made it. Now I will change the colors in the three strips. First we will make it dry, and then after 5 minutes later we will start the next part of the design. Now I will use the red color, dark. Okay, and I will go from dark to light. I will keep here. Now I will change the position like here, and then I will do the okay. Now I will change the color. Now I will use the orange color for light effect. So like this experience you will get. Okay, see a different type of design here got it. Okay, you can do design on it also or not, you cannot do, no problem. But this is a different way to do the design. If you want to do the flowers or leaves or different type of shapes, you can draw. Okay, now I will take the pencil and I draw here some forms. Okay, or you can do the stencil and you can take the print also, no issue. Like this, same to same you can do. Okay, if you do the stencil, that will be better, or you can do with your hand also, no problem. Like this design you can do. You can use black color, blue color, whichever you have, but try to do the color scheme like that. So I tried the blue, but I will take now black color. Black color look good. Okay. Like this pattern you can draw. So you will get a uniformity. Means this design is a complete design. These are not different part. Only one part or one design. So like this you can draw the pattern. Here also I will try now. So different design you can create with your own idea. Purpose is only it should look beautiful. And try different ways of print. Nowadays people are doing the texture in their house, hall or bedroom. They are using same technique, paper or different material they are using to take the prints. So that looks very beautiful texture in the house. Okay, like this you can try, or you want to do here you can show different design. Okay, so this is the one way to do the design. So see what I have done. I have cut a stencil. Okay, and then I made the design. So okay, I hope you understood the idea. One more I have done, but that is very simple, but I will show you. See, here is a background, blue and then white print, and then the flowers are showed with the black color and it outlined with the white. But this is not so much beautiful. This will look beautiful. Okay, so if you will try like this, your design will look beautiful. Okay, you can try here lines different. Okay, that will look beautiful. Like for example, see. Like this you can try. So you will get a different idea or different design. Okay, like this you can create the design if possible. If you are unable to do like this, then leave it. You can use different idea. You can take the print. So here you will get the symmetry, repetition of form. So your design will look beautiful. Like this you can show so many ideas. You can show like this curve lines, patterns, all that. Just I showed for the information. You can create better than this or beautiful. Okay, so this is the one type of design in printmaking or printmaking in design. Okay, I hope you like it. Okay, so see, when it is wet, don't do work, let it dry. See here you can see I touch my hand and it is a black color here. So I hope you understood the different idea of taking print and do the design. So you have to do only one print. Last period I have showed that also, this also, not like that. Anyone, I have showing you different way. This way also I have showed right now. Okay, or last period I showed this is okay, or one more I have showed this. But step by step, this is very simple, then better than this, then better than this, and then this is very beautiful. Okay, I hope you understood how to do the print making or design. Print making is a part of design. Okay, keep in the mind, it is not a different subject. I hope you understood. You have to do only one, not so many. Now shops are open. If you don't have papers, tell your parents if they are going out. If they are not going, then wait for some time. But you have to do only one print making. Thank you.